Beginning February 28th, 2025 at 3 o'clock, a student in Greece Central goes to translate.google.com. They will get this message that they don't have access to Google Translate. However, if they use the app on their Chromebook, which I have pinned here, or they can also access by going to the app launcher in the lower left. If I launch the app, I'll initially be told I don't have access to Google Translate because I'm logged in with an account right here. If I click on the user's icon in the upper right and choose Use Without an Account, then Google Translate does continue to work. Google Translate will work if you sign out of the account. Molto bene. So, if I go back here and I click on the icon, I can see the history. We believe the difference here is that it won't save the history across devices because it's not saving the history to an account. And if I go back to try to use the account and get told that it doesn't work, sign out of the account again, the history will be gone. However, it does seem to remember what language or languages you were using most recently, and it will save the history, we believe, as long as right on that account, as long as you don't switch back to the initial user. So by and large, the functionality of Google Translate within the app will continue to work after February 28th.